So before buyers start seriously shopping for homes, our next step is important. It's getting pre-approved, because knowing your budget changes the entire process. I'm Michelle Bell, and in this video, I am going to walk you through how mortgage pre-approval works and why it matters before you start looking at homes. So a lot of buyers begin by searching online first. They start saving homes, looking at areas, and figuring out exactly what they like. But before you start seriously viewing properties, it's important to understand what monthly payment feels comfortable, what price range works for you and your lifestyle, and what a lender is prepared to approve. At this stage, it helps buyers to move forward with much more clear understanding of their budget before making any major decisions. So what exactly is a mortgage pre-approval? A mortgage pre-approval is when a lender or a mortgage broker review your financial information and determine approximately how much you may qualify or borrow for a home purchase. This usually includes things like reviewing your income, your employment, any debts, credit history, down payment, and your financial position. Once it's completed, the lender provides a pre-approval amount and estimated payment structure based on current lending guidelines and interest rates. One of the biggest benefits of getting pre-approved is understanding your monthly affordability before you start shopping. So just because a lender approves you for a certain amount doesn't always mean that you want to spend that. What you want to know is what comfortably works for you every month. So we want to understand things like what fits your lifestyle, what monthly payment feels manageable, and how home ownership fits into your overall financial goals. This helps buyers search within that price range that feels realistic for them long term. Another benefit of the pre-approval is that many lenders can hold an interest rate for a period of time while a buyer shops for a house. So this can help protect you if rates increase during the home search process. The exact time frame depends on the lender and current lending programs. Many hold rates for about 90 to maybe 120 days. So a good mortgage broker can also help buyers understand ways to improve their financial position. So before purchasing, people might want to work on things like improving credit, reducing debts, organizing financial documents, or discussing steps that may help strengthen their future approvals. For many buyers, this stage becomes part of the preparation process before purchasing a home. So understanding areas and lifestyle. Once a buyer understands their budget and their monthly comfort level, our next step is discussing areas and lifestyle. So every area offers something different, and we look at things like commute times, schools, lifestyle, future plans, property types, and what makes the most sense for you long term. Some buyers prioritize things like space, walkability, newer homes, shorter commutes, future resale value. This stage helps narrow down where buyers should focus their search before viewing homes. So getting a pre-approved helps you understand things like your budget, your monthly affordability, financing options, and what price range makes sense before you seriously begin shopping for a house. So once this step is completed, a buyer can then begin searching with a much clearer understanding of what works financially and lifestyle-wise for long term. In the next video, we are going to walk through choosing the right realtor and why having the right guidance can make the buying process a much smoother process from start to finish. Please follow along for the next step. I'm Michelle Bell.